Did you know the different meanings of the verb get? Well, if you don't, watch the video till the end to learn them all. Let's get started. Get means to receive. I have got a gift from my friend for my birthday. Did you get my message? I got my dress for a good price. Get means to become. She got married last month. She is working hard to get a better person every day. He got tired after working all day. Get means to arrive. What time did you get home last night? How can I get to the train station? What time do you plan to get to the party? Get means to understand. I don't get this math problem. Can you explain it again? It took me a while to get the concept, but now I understand it. I don't get how to use this computer program. Get means to bring or to fetch. Could you please get me a glass of water? Can you get me an extra blanket? Can you get me the keys from the table? Get means to convince. I'll get him to join us. I managed to get her to come to the party. After a lot of discussion, I finally got him to agree with me. Get means to suffer from an illness. I got a headache after staring at the laptop screen for too long. I don't want to get sick before the trip. Get means to recover from an illness or a setback. He's trying to get over a recent breakup. I'm starting to get over my flu. He got back on his feet after losing his job. Get means to cause or make something happen. She got her car fixed at the mechanic. I need to get my hair cut this weekend. I like to get all my housework done by noon. Get means to communicate. Can you get back to me on that question? I'll get in touch with you later. Get means to obtain or to acquire. I need to get a new phone because mine is broken. I need to get the groceries from the store. Get means to catch. I tried to get the ball, but it was too fast. I don't get a sense of his true intentions. Get means to do something. I have got to pick up my kids from school. We should get going, the movie starts soon. Let's get started on the project right away. Get means to retain or to remember. It's hard to get all the details, but I remember the main points. I hope you like this video, and if you do not forget to subscribe to my channel English Learning Nest. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.